Hey guys, I'm just coming here to tell you guys that I am okay. Yes, I was in a really serious car accident today in the afternoon. A drunk person that was driving under the influence smashed my car, and unfortunately the impact was quite severe and it flinged me across the car. I bashed my head on the window, and anyways, I'm alive and I'm well, except for some minor injuries and swelling and a slight concussion. I'm okay. I'm grateful. That could have ended terribly, but I came to say this to say that this is why you should not drink and drive. I anyways hate alcohol to begin with. In fact, I am not someone who has ever liked the idea of alcohol or anything like that, drugs, weed, all that stuff, anything that puts you in a different state of mind or state of alertness is not something I promote or even enjoy being around. Each to his own. Like, if that's your thing, that's your thing, but that's definitely not my thing. And this is one of the reasons why, is because you put people in harm's way. You should not drink and drive. I don't know, it's 2025. I cannot believe that this is even a conversation that I have to have, that this is even a scenario that has to happen at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. I could never imagine someone would be under the influence driving and putting people in harm's way. Apparently the person that smashed his car into me ran over a couple of other people, and multiple people were injured in the process. Having said that, I just want to let everyone know I'm okay. I'm going to be suffering from pain for some time, but alhamdulillah, thank God, I am alive. And I'm not gonna lie, that was a very, very, very scary, terrifying, traumatic moment. I'm slightly still traumatized. And yes, many of you guys are probably wondering, what was I doing on stage with David Guetta right after an accident? Look, guys, you know what kind of mindset I have. I don't let anything get in the way of my work, my ambition, and any opportunities that I get. So no drunk driver was going to get in that kind of opportunity. I worked way too hard to reach these milestones and moments. So yes, I mean, and that might look crazy to you, but long story short, don't drink and drive. Like, it's stop it. Like, don't even think about it. Don't. Stop. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who's been reaching out to see if I'm okay. I really appreciate that. It does mean a lot to me. And thank you to my fans who have been messaging, and I know everyone's so concerned. But again, I have to reiterate, don't drink and drive. Don't do it. Don't do it. There's been so many cases in India, in Mumbai. So yeah, I just wanted to say that, and I just wanted to say I'm grateful that I'm okay and safe, and I definitely saw my life flash right in front of my eyes, and I don't wish that upon anybody, and I'm just grateful that I'm okay. All right, love you guys. my song. الأغنية ديالي. اسمعي. It's my song. It's playing. My presence is felt there while I'm here. So cool. I love you. All right. 5, 6, 7. Hi, Mama Tetema. Give me Tetema. What's your name? You're fucking amazing. I love you. That's the energy I want. Blame you when you're down. That's just the way it goes. I'm just a girl. What do I know? They hate you. Let's do this.
Hey Nora, Shenyang.